Hello friends, today I am going to show you how you can install custom ROM in your phone. Installing custom ROM in your phone is required when the stock ROM that comes with your phone, that is the official ROM, is not good enough. It uses lots of RAM, or the display is not good, or it's laggy or something. Some problems are there. You would like to install some custom ROM and try that. So for installing custom ROM, there are a couple of steps. So first step will be to find out the custom ROM for your phone. So to start with, this is the good website. This is www.needrom.com. I have given the link in the description. From there you can go to this website. And today I'll be using my phone Lenovo K3 Note to install the custom ROM. So these are the ROMs for my phone K50. My phone version is K50A40, that is the Indian version. Yours might be K50T5, or your might be other Android also. So based on that you search for your ROM. But for both the K50A40 and K50T5, these ROM should work fine. Okay, so there can be sometimes there can be issues that, like, if you install K50A40 ROM on a K50T5 phone, it may not work, or vice versa. But today I'll be installing this Carbon K3 Lite ROM. So you can also see the ratings of this ROM. It's pretty good actually, almost 4.5 stars. So I just go to this Carbon K3 Lite 2.5. Okay, so it's giving me the download link. So I just go to this link. There's a Facebook streaming video fix as well. Okay, we'll delete it later. So first thing is we need the custom ROM. So okay, the one important step is, in your phone should be rooted. It should have some custom recovery installed. Remember, if it doesn't have custom recovery installed, you may not be able to install custom ROM, right? So how do you install the custom recovery, or how do you root your phone? You just have to watch my video where I am showing how you can install custom recovery. That video is for Lenovo K3 Note only, but yeah, it's come here, so I can download through browser. So the video is for the Lenovo K3 Note, but you can use other phones as well, given that the recovery file that you are using is for your phone. Remember that. Okay, so it's starting to download. It might take some time for downloading. Okay, so I think I have this already downloaded, so I can go to downloads, and I see that do I have it here? Yes, I have it here, Carbon K3 Lite 2.z. so I already have downloaded it, so I can skip the step, but make sure you download this ROM. And this is the zip file that I have, and this zip file I have to transfer to my phone. My phone is already connected. You can see here it's Lenovo K3 Note. I can go to my phone SD card. Okay, they should have a folder APK. So here I already put this Carbon ROM. So here it's the Carbon K3 Lite ROM. Okay, so that's the only step you have to do on your PC or laptop. After that we'll go to the mobile and see how you install the custom ROM. So a couple of points to remember is, first thing, your phone should be rooted. It should have custom recovery installed. Second thing, keep your battery fully charged. Third thing, make sure you back up everything, your phone contacts, your messages, or whatever you want. Make sure you back up everything, because it will be like as you got the first time, the new phone, right? So do that, and then we go to phone. Okay, so now we have copied the ROM to our phone. So I can quickly show you where I put the ROM. So I can go to this my APK folder, and you can see the Carbon ROM. This is Carbon K3 Lite 2 ROM. So it is at the bottom most. So we quickly switch off our phone, and then restart in the recovery mode. So I'll just power it off. Just power off. Yes, shut down the phone. Okay, so when you switch it on again, make sure you press the volume up, volume down, and the power key all together, so that you can go to this recovery mode. So let me press all the 3 buttons. Okay, so now it's already switched off, so I'll just press this volume up, volume down and the power button. So let me start it. Okay, so let's see, it will go in the recovery mode. Yeah, so it's going to recovery mode. Okay, so you can see again there are a few options in the recovery mode, and you might have seen how did we install this recovery. You can go to the last video and see how we install this recovery. So what we have to do is we have to simply go to install zip. From the install zip we go to either SD card or SD card 1. If you keep your file in the SD card, this is your phone memory, you go to SD card, or else you go to SD card 1. So we'll go to SD card 1. Okay, now go to the folder where you put the stock ROM, this is custom ROM file. So mine I have kept in the APK folder, so I'll go to the APK folder, which should be somewhere here. You can clearly see it's APK folder. Okay, so I'll just click on it. So see, for selecting use the power button, for up and down you use the volume up, volume down keys. It's pretty simple. So this is the Carbon K3 Lite 2 Note. Okay, something I forgot, sorry. You go back, it's very important actually. You go back. So first you have to do is you have to wipe cache, wipe data, factory reset. So this is the first thing you have to do. Go to wipe data. So it will actually clear your all the data in the phone memory, right? Your photos or videos may not be removed, but overall the system data will be removed, settings, etc. So I'll just wipe all the data. So now it's wiping all the data, as you can see. Make sure you have taken the backup, it's very important. Okay, cache data is removing, so it's complete. Okay, now we can install the zip file. So we go to install zip, then we go to SD card again, and then we have to go to the APK folder. Okay, so my battery is at 48%, so should be good enough, but you might want to keep it full charged. You go to APK, you go to Carbon K3 Lite, this ROM, I click it. Yes, install this Carbon K3 Lite, and let's see if it works on our phone or not. Okay, now it's finding the update package, opening update package. So it is install few things. So I'll wait for it to finish. So as you can see, this Android is moving, so it's being installed. Just be patient and it will be done. Couple of minutes. So now it's updating kernel, installing Super SU, installation done. So now we have finished the installation for the for this custom ROM. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll go back and we'll reboot options, and then we'll just reboot the system now. That's what I've done. We'll simply let the system reboot. Nice logo, they have changed the logo. You see my logo has now changed. It's really beautiful actually. again this carbon logo may stay here for maybe 5 minutes, because it might be installing all the applications, it might be updating all the applications. If you remember, if you had updated your phone sometime. Oh, so it's starting. Okay, so I think it's installed. Okay, there is no setup or nothing, it just installed by itself. So congratulations, you have successfully installed the custom ROM in your phone. I'll do a review of this ROM later on, and till then, thank you for watching the video. If you like it, please subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.